पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये समझ जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर कम फिसल जाए. Hi, this is Anveshi Jain and you are watching me on Filmy Beat.
Hi Anveshi.
Hi.
Welcome to Filmy Beat.
Hi.
Okay, so talking about this lockdown, like how it's going on?
It's going on quite relaxing actually. So after the big lockdown, we thought now we're gonna be like aggressively going back to work. लेकिन अभी फिर से इतना uncertain हो गया है ना कि आज मेरा shoot होने वाला था लेकिन it got cancelled because of this situation. But it's going good overall.
Yes, so talking about your project, क्या है अभी pipeline में? जैसे कि अभी आपने कहा कि shoot होने वाला था but वो cancel हो गया, तो किस चीज़ का shoot था अगर आप बताना चाहो?
It's for an Amazon Prime series. This is gonna be one of the biggest series of India that's been ever made, directed by Rahi Anil Bharve sir, the one who directed Tumbar. And you will see Pankaj Tripathi, Kunal Khemu, Patri Lekha and me in it. It's an episodic series that's coming and I'm really looking forward to it.
Wow, that's nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Apart from that, I would like to know more about you. So starting with you are the brand ambassador of your birthday. So do you think your sculpture inspires you?
I'm sorry, I'm brand ambassador of?
Your birthplace.
Oh well. Well, that's a very well put question actually. I feel really proud actually and I think I thought कि किसी को पता नहीं होगा खजुराहो के बारे में बॉम्बे में खास करके because बहुत दूर है वो शहर and but because it's a land of Kama Sutra I think everybody gets very fascinated by it and I think the same fascination somewhere they find in me as well, so I feel really blessed and proud.
That's nice. Tell us something about your school days. Like, were you a very shy kind of child or you were like very naughty? How was it?
I was extremely naughty. I was like tomboyish and सबका जीना हराम किया हुआ था. So I was the first one who used to be thrown out of the class in every period. So the Hindi teacher, the maths teacher, not very academic but very naughty, extremely notorious. And I used to have this gang of 3-4 girls and boys and I used to like rule the school basically. It was the best time of my life, I would rather say.
Okay, any memory of childhood if you can share, like कभी?
I remember, हमारे फिजिक्स के जो टीचर थे बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे और उन्होंने सोच के रखा था कि क्योंकि बच्चे पढ़ाई नहीं करते सबको मैं फेल करूँगा, तो उन्होंने जो टेस्ट पेपर हमारे लिए बनाया था इट वॉज सो टफ दैट वी ऑल एक्चुअली फेल्ड. पासिंग मार्क्स थे 14 and I was the one who was topping in failing. So I had 14, बाकी सबके उससे भी कम नंबर्स आए थे. So we were like laughing about it. ऐसे yeah.
Okay, tell us something about your parents and siblings.
So my mom and dad, they are professors. They are PhD professors in a government college back there in Madhya Pradesh. And I have one brother who stays with me in Bombay. He's a photographer and a cinematographer. And yeah, that's about it. We are a family of 4. My grandmother has been a very integral part of our family because of her upbringing, and she was also a professor of Hindi. उस वजह से हमारा जो फाउंडेशन है वो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है शुरू से.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What about marriage? Like, what are your parents saying about marriage?
Oh my God, they have been I think looking for a guy when I was 22, 23 I guess. Right after engineering, they just wanted me to get married. एंड वो अभी भी उनका चालू है, कोशिशें चलती रहती हैं. कभी पेपर में इश्तिहार देते रहते हैं, कभी शादी.com पे भी चले जाते हैं. ये नहीं समझते हैं कि लोगों को लगता है फेक प्रोफाइल है, यू नो. दे हैव बीन क्वेश्चन्ड. और एक आध बार तो ऐसा हुआ है कि फन में मैं चली भी गई हूँ एक आध डेट पर ऐसे टू मीट अ गाय एंड ही इज लाइक, oh my God, you really came? I said, yeah, I did. Like, tell my parents that I did. So he was like very happy, you know. So things like this keeps on happening and it's quite fun actually. But मेरे ऐसे कोई प्लान नहीं है शादी के.
Okay, what kind of like qualities you are looking like in the guy?
Somebody who was extremely chivalrous and with good reflexes, intelligent, wise. All these quality matters for me the most, and of course good looks as well.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was your parents' reaction when they got to know that you have acted in an erotic sense? So what was their reaction at that time?
Oh my God, it was very I don't even want to go back there because it was the horrendous स्पेस क्या होता है, एक तरफ आपको सक्सेस मिल रही होती है, दूसरी तरफ आपके पेरेंट्स नाराज़ हो रहे होते हैं, तो आपको समझ में नहीं आता कि आप फील क्या कर रहे होते हो। आपको इतनी ज़्यादा शिद्दत से कोई चीज़ चाहिए होती है, लेकिन वो जिस तरीके से कई बार आती है वो उतना अच्छा नहीं होता। अब वही चीज़ समझाने के लिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश की उनको मनाने की, लेटर्स लिख के भेजे। मैं लेटर्स लिखा करती थी और उसकी फ़ोटो खींच करके व्हाट्सएप किया करती थी, वहाँ से रिप्लाई नहीं आते थे, फ़ोन नहीं उठाते थे वो लोग। 6 महीने लगे एक्चुअली मेरे डैड को नॉर्मल होने में। मेरी मॉम तो समहाउ कन्विंस हो गई। इनिशियली उनको लगता था कि कोई और है, एंड शी वाज सो स्वीट एक्चुअली। वो बोला करती थी कि तोशी तुम्हारे जैसे दिखने वाली एक लड़की है जो कि ऐसा काम करे। सर हाँ मम्मी, ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं, कई बार तो मॉर्फ भी कर देते हैं, आपको पता है मैं नहीं हूँ वो। तो जब तक मैं बच सकती थी मैंने झूठ बोला, लेकिन इवेंचुअली इट केम आउट दैट इट वाज मी एंड आई हैड टू कन्फेस। सो मुश्किल था, लेकिन अब सब बहुत अच्छा है।
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So what was there, like again, what was your reaction when you got to know, that you are the most Google Bollywood actress?
I could never actually imagine something like that to happen, but बहुत ही कमाल की फीलिंग होती है मेरे ख्याल से। once in your life इस तरीके की न्यूज़ आती है और आपको लगता है कि आप सब ठीक है, मेरे ख्याल से जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, जो भी इश्यूज, जो भी इनसिक्योरिटीज़, जो भी टेंशन्स होते हैं ना, सब चले जाते हैं। नहीं फील लाइक what, सब ठीक है, I got this. It was that kind of comfort that I felt when I became famous, and I was like, I'm gonna be feeling extremely responsible इस fame के साथ में, and I will do my best whatever I can to keep my audience happy.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so going back to the Gandhi Baat, like when you got to know that you have to kiss Flora in Gandhi Baat, what was your what was running in your mind at that time, and what was your first reaction?
So when I was told that I have to kiss Flora, I think my reaction was कि यार लड़कियों किस करना, like a sisterly thing, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, was convincing myself one way or the other. And मुझे लगा यार लड़का अगर होता तो शायद मैं ज़्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल होती है ना, बिकॉज कोई रैंडम इंसान से किस करना पड़े। लड़की तो ये बहन जैसी है, आई होप शी इज़ नाइस, उसकी एनर्जी, उसकी वाइब अच्छी हो। बाकी एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ हर एंड आई एम लाइक वाओ, शी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल यार, आई डोंट माइंड किसिंग हर। सो दैट्स हाउ इट वेंट एंड आई एम लाइक ओके। एंड देन her convincing, and she convinced me, and then the directors are convinced me, what, Anvish, it's gonna be okay, ये बहुत हो रहा है, ये होता है, it's normal, it's okay, it's not real. I said, am I supposed to do this really, or it's a fake thing? But you just be in the moment. I said okay. So it was so much going on in my head.
Okay, and what were you thinking at that time when your intimate scene with Flora got leaked?
Oh my God, that I said shit man. I'm like, I was only praying and hoping कि किसी को पता ना चले, मेरे जानने वाले जितने लोग हैं बस कहीं ना कहीं से एक फ़िल्टर उनके लिए आ जाए, उनको ना पता चले, and that's it. But ऐसे कैसे होने वाला था। So I think बहुत बदनाम हुई मैं इनिशियली। तो मेरे जो स्कूल, कॉलेज और छोटे शहर में जो बातें चली होंगी, आई कैन ओनली इमेजिन उन्होंने क्या क्या बोला होगा। उनको अभी भी लगता है कि कोई शॉर्टकट होगा या इस तरीके की चीज़ें हम असल ज़िंदगी में भी करते हैं टू गेट फेमस, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है एक्चुअली। इट्स वेरी जजमेंटल एक्चुअली, वेरी जजमेंटल ओपिनियंस, बट इवेंचुअली टर्न आउट टू बी गुड।
Exactly. The thing is, India में ऐसा होता है when
Exactly.
people do this
Yeah.
erotic scenes or intimate
Yeah.
scenes, people judge.
Yeah.
But ये चीज़ें, I talk about
हाँ.
Western culture, that is very normal.
That's
और
very
उनको
normal,
कोई
yeah.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Exactly.
Yeah. So जब भी आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पता चली, आप फिर डिसाइड हुए थे, so were you in depression, like, और आपको उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए कितना वक्त लगा था?
डिप्रेशन तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, बिकॉज फेमस होने की जो खुशी होती है ना, वो बहुत ऊंची होती है इन सब छोटी चीज़ों से। और ज़िंदगी के तजुर्बे ने ये सिखाया ज़रूर है कि कोई भी चीज़ बहुत टेम्परेरी होती है। लोग कुछ दिन तक आपको बोलेंगे, फिर भूल जाएंगे। ना कोई जाने, ना आपके बारे में कोई बात करे, अच्छी बुरी या कैसी भी, वो ज़्यादा बुरा होता है जब आप दिखते ही नहीं हो। आप कोशिश कर रहे हो इतनी ज़्यादा लाइक्स और अटेंशन पाने की, आप कपड़े उतार रहे हो ऑन स्क्रीन, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे एब्सोल्यूट बिकनी फ़ोटोज़ डाल रहे हो, लेकिन आप यू आर सीकिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अटेंशन। हियर आई वेयर अ साड़ी एंड आई गेट मच मोर अटेंशन देन एनीबडी एल्स। सो आई थिंक ब्लेसिंग इतनी ज़्यादा है ना कि मुझे वैसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं करनी पड़ रही है एट द मोमेंट कि जहाँ पे मुझे लगे कि मुझे एक्स्ट्रावेगेंटली अपने आप को शो ऑफ करने की ज़रूरत है टू गेट द लव फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस। तो ऐसे में वही जो छोटा सा जो पार्ट होता है ना क्रिटिसिज्म का, वो मैटर ही नहीं करता। ब्लेसिंग बहुत है।
Okay, so do you love doing erotic scenes?
I think I will be really good at it. I will be the best in the country, and I'll really do a good job. But fact of the matter is that it has to be worthy of doing and worthy of being a part of. Which, when I say that, I mean it has to have that kind of, first of all, the directors, the team, the channel, the production house, everything will matter. And erotica के साथ में जो चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा important है वो ये है कि आपकी chemistry कैसी है आपकी co-star के साथ में, और story line क्या है. It cannot be just the scene और उसके आसपास में आपने थोड़ी बहुत कहानी लगा दी, you know, like how you see Hollywood films, brilliant scenes but brilliant screenplay and story as well, you know.
Okay, so apart from mainstream media, there is a parallel industry running to this erotic series these days. Do you think it's taking us to the wrong way?
It is actually. I would rather say it is, because you know what we are going after now is flesh and body and sex. Life is not just about that. लोगों को लगता है कि अगर आपको एक hot girlfriend मिल गई, या अगर आप खुद एक hot लड़की हैं तो आपकी ज़िंदगी आसान है, या आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाता है struggle. जबकि इनफैक्ट बहुत सारी लड़कियों, बहुत सारे लोग जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं या इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि yesterday a girl called me and she asked me कि I want to become like Anveshi Jain, तो उसके लिए I need some money to get some surgeries done. मैंने कहा where are these people coming from? ये कोई तरीका थोड़ी ना होता है यार. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अ नेचुरल. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, अगर इन केस आप मान लो कि किसी की बॉडी फेक है भी, but then what do you think what is gonna get to you? I mean, I don't really understand. It has to start with your mind, your mindset, your intelligence, your way of talking. Everything matters, isn't it? It's a whole personality. It cannot be just the body, right? So वो एक गलत डायरेक्शन में नच तो डेफिनेटली हम हो रहे हैं.
Okay, so what is your life में mantra is?
That's a good one. Actually, my mantra, I would rather say, is to have a purpose in life. Purpose का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी की ज़िंदगी में. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. And when I say purpose, I mean I want to inspire people in some way or the other. Right now I'm young and I'm pretty and I have this hot, nice body, so people are enjoying looking at me and all of that, and I am enjoying flaunting it because I understand that this is the need of the hour. But if you have noticed, even when I'm displaying myself on social media, I'm always talking about something that is somewhere important for a lot of youngsters to listen. Like yesterday's live was about don't waste time, you know. Someday I will talk about take care of your parents. Things like these. I keep talking about things that really, really matter despite dressing sexy. Even my app, people think it's only about the sexy stuff, but it is majorly about connecting to people, taking care of them, talking to them, discussing their real life problems, discussing their relationship, because ऐसे में ना एक real bonding होती है, and bonding is what heals people. So the idea, my purpose and my life mantra is to actually make a difference in someone's life, however it is.
Superb. And what is your fitness mantra?
Work out every day, make it a part of your life. How important is food for you is how important your workout is. That should be the goal. So I don't target to lose 5 kgs. I target to be fit forever, you know. So for that, it has to become a habit.
Alright, and as you said, like about your upcoming projects, apart from that, Amazon Prime, any other is there like in pipeline?
Yes, my Telugu film is releasing on 7th of May. It's called Commitment. And apart from that, I'm releasing a couple of music songs, 3 for 9XM and other ones for YouTube. So you will be seeing another side of me, the singing side of me, and yeah, I can't wait for you to see it.
Since we know that definitely you are a good actress and singer as well.
Yeah.
So which is your favorite song, and can you just sing 2 lines?
Sure. I like बहुत सारे गाने actually. हैरी मेट सेजल के गाने बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. इम्तियाज़ अली के फिल्म्स के जो गाने हैं उनकी लिरिक्स बड़ी अच्छी होती है, तो आई गो बाय द लिरिक्स एक्चुअली. एंड अगर तुम साथ हो हैज़ बिन माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सो आई थिंक आई कैन सिंग दोज 2 लाइन्स फॉर यू. पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये समझ जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आँखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो.
Super.
Thank Thank you.
And any recent song or the one if you would get chance to recreate, which song you would like to recreate in your voice?
Recreation wise, I think I've been working on 2-3 cover songs. One is कभी यार कभी पार लगा तीरे नज़र, उसका बड़ा हिप हॉप टाइप का म्यूज़िक है एंड रैप भी है. कवर का तो नहीं पता बट मेरा एक सॉन्ग है रुस जाना करके जो कि शायद आप आगे जाके सुनेंगे. वो गाना बहुत ही मेलो स्लो और सैड सॉन्ग है, लेकिन उस सैड सॉन्ग के अंदर हमने रैप डाला हुआ है. So that's a very new kind of music rendition that you will see actually. So I can't wait for you to listen to it. But अभी तो original है इसलिए अभी गा नहीं सकती.
Alright. So apart from that, the actor with whom you would want to go on a vacation.
Actor I want to go on a vacation. I am a sapiosexual, which means I need a man who can actually talk intellectually, especially somebody who is stimulating in conversations more than anything. And I think there are very few like that. Shah Rukh Khan being one. Anybody younger? Let me think. Siddharth Malhotra is hot for sure, but going on a vacation would be a big deal. I'm not sure. I think I don't mind Ranveer Singh actually. He's fun. He looks fun.
Okay, and where you will go and why?
Where will I go? I think Las Vegas is gonna be a place for me. Yeah, I love lights. I love city. I love noise. I love all of that. So Las Vegas is the place.
Okay. Any wild fantasy you have?
One fantasy is, well, fantasies are not to be shared, are they?
But yes, you can.
I always wanted to date Shah Rukh Khan actually for a very long time. I think that's one fantasy that I have, but let's see if that can ever happen.
Alright.
Yeah.
So are you still in touch with your first boyfriend?
No, no. I have good terms. We don't hate each other, but I don't prefer talking to him.
Okay.
Yeah, I have good terms with my ex-boyfriend. Yeah, but no talking.
Okay, so at which age you had your first boyfriend?
I think I was in first year of my college. I guess. Too soon, huh? Wasn't it? Started very early.
Okay, so do you remember your first kiss at which age? And what do you have to say like
Somewhere around that time only I remember it, and it was on the stairs of a school somewhere, and I think that was the best kiss actually, because it's your first, and if guy turns out to be a good kisser, you always remember that kiss. I do. I must give it to him actually. It was nice.
Okay, your favorite actress who inspires you the most?
I'm a fan of South films, and I really like the presence and the aura that Nayanthara has. I think she's one dominating lady and very real and very, very powerful. So I really look up to her. Nayanthara is my favorite actress. And if we talk about Bollywood, I think Alia is doing good work. She's a good actress, but she's still like, she's nice, but I think I would go with Nayanthara, a personality that is like there, you know.
Okay, so whose Insta profile you like to stalk? Actor and actress?
I don't. So this is one fact that I would like to reveal about myself, that I don't really stalk anybody. I don't scroll much, and I'm very particular about who I follow. So I don't stalk anybody for that matter. Not at all. Not a single person actually. Initially I used to, but then I realized it's such a waste of time. So whenever I go on Insta, I make sure that I consciously come out of it very, very soon. I go to post.
Okay, your recent favorite movie and your all-time favorite too.
My recent favorite movie. Okay, I saw this animated film called Soul, and I really liked it. It's so thoughtful, it's so nice. And all-time favorite, I would rather say I like The Gatsby. And Titanic is something that I can watch over and over and over and over again. Godfather, I'm a fan of that as well. All these classics basically, The Shawshank Redemption, all these films are really nice.
Okay, your favorite dish?
Nothing anymore, I guess, because of dieting and everything, you just lose the desire to actually cheat, or you lose the desire to actually love something. But I think these days I'm tripping on healthy waffles actually, high protein waffles and parfait.
Alright, your first crush?
My first crush has been Shah Rukh Khan, can you believe it? Leonardo DiCaprio and Shah Rukh Khan at that time, like when I was a kid.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing you think right now you should have not done it.
I shouldn't have left my workout after my shoot got over, because for this show I was making my body really working. I mean, I was working out extensively for this particular show on Amazon Prime, and now that the shoot is almost done, I have become a little lazy, and I have stopped working out for like about 3-4 days, and I'm like regretting it.
Okay, do you have any embarrassing moment in your life?
No, I don't. Because I'm very aware actually. I'm very aware and a controlled person in terms of what I do, what I say, where I go, who I meet. All these things I'm actually not calculative, but I'm very aware. तो ऐसे में गलतियों के chances कम हो जाते हैं. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि you are not in your senses or you are doing something that you shouldn't have done or said something that you shouldn't have said. I don't really am somebody that doesn't know what they're doing.
Alright.
Yeah.
So any movie you have seen recently and you think कि यार ऐसे टाइप का मुझे भी कुछ स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगा और
yes, I think I would like to do something what Alia's recent film, Bhansali's film, she's coming up with. Gangubai Kathiawada. That is. I think I would do good in character-based roles, जहाँ पे you are living another human being's life, you know. So I saw Judy as well. Renee has done a great job in playing that wonderful, magnificent singer who's gone through a lot in their life. So a character like that I would really prefer.
Any dream project?
My dream project, yes. I think I would want to work with Imtiaz someday, and Mohit Suri sir for that matter. I like their work quite a lot. So my wish is to work with these people.
Okay, so these days Instagram and obviously Facebook, you have gained so many followers, people
Right.
love you.
Right.
So what message you would like to give and what do you have to say about the people who follow you?
Thank you for all the love, and I cannot really thank you all enough, क्योंकि जो भी है ना सिर्फ आपकी वजह से है. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो you know एक चीज़ होती है ना कि पिलर हैं आप मेरे फेम के, मेरी लाइफ का देखा जाए तो you are the pillar and you are almost, I think you are my success, and I celebrate you every single day. The effort that I put in on a daily basis to come live and to dress up and to cancel all the party meetings, hanging outs, just to be with you on screen time, one-on-one, is because I want you to know that you're not alone. I'm always there for you, and because you have given me so much, even if I could be a friend of yours and help you overcome anything that you're going through, I would be really grateful and I would be happy to help. Thank you so much.
Thank you so